Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial. How to get WhatsApp on your iPad in 2025. With Apple's latest updates and WhatsApp's expanded features, it's now easier than ever to stay connected on your tablet. Whether you're chatting with friends, managing groups, or handling business messages, having WhatsApp on your iPad can boost your productivity. Let's jump right in. First things first, you might be wondering if WhatsApp has an official iPad app. As of 2025, WhatsApp still doesn't have a dedicated app for iPads, but don't worry, we'll use a reliable workaround. Start by opening the Safari browser on your iPad. Go to web.whatsapp.com and scan the QR code with your iPhone's WhatsApp app. This links your accounts and mirrors your chats seamlessly. Once linked, you'll see all your conversations on your iPad's screen. But wait, there's more. In 2025, Apple has improved iPad OS with better multi-window support, so you can run WhatsApp Web in a split-screen mode alongside other apps. To make it even better, enable notifications in your iPad settings. Head to Settings, Notifications greater than WhatsApp Web, and turn them on for real-time alerts. Now, for a smoother experience, make sure your iPhone and iPad are on the same Wi-Fi network. If you run into issues like sync problems, double-check that WhatsApp is updated on your phone. Grab the latest version from the App Store. Pro tip: use a strong internet connection to avoid delays in message delivery. That's it, you're all set to use WhatsApp on your iPad. Remember, this method keeps your account secure as long as you're logged in from your primary device. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.